9 nights, endless devotion, dance, fasting, and prayers. But here's the real question. Why did our ancestors design Navratri as exactly 9 nights? Was it just for religion? Or did they hide a powerful scientific code of health and energy within this festival? Navratri comes right when seasons change, winter to summer or monsoon to winter. Science proves that during these shifts, our immunity is at its weakest. Ancient India turned this dangerous time into a festival. How? By designing rituals that make the body stronger and the mind calmer. Fasting in Navratri isn't about starving. It's about resetting the body. Sattvic food, fruits, nuts, buckwheat, rock salt, is light, rich in minerals, and easy to digest. This gives the gut a break, detoxifies toxins, and recharges energy. Modern science now calls this intermittent fasting. When you clap and dance in Garba, you're not just celebrating, you're syncing with the rhythms of nature. That music, that energy, that sweat. It's a natural cardio workout. Your heart pumps stronger, stress melts away, and your body vibrates with positivity. Prayers, chanting, and meditation during Navratri activate the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural stress relief switch. Science proves collective rituals release oxytocin, the bonding hormone, making you feel safe, connected, and peaceful. Why 9 nights? Because night is the time of healing and restoration. Each night of Navratri symbolizes awakening one form of energy within us, from courage to wisdom to peace. By the 9th day, the body, mind, and soul are aligned, ready to face the new season with strength. Navratri is not just a festival, it's a 9-day scientific wellness system. Detox for your body, therapy for your mind, and fuel for your soul. A tradition so powerful that even modern science is still catching up to it. If this science of Navratri amazed you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it, like it, and subscribe for more secrets where tradition meets science.